Do you want to add text behind a person in CapCut on your iPhone or Android? You're in the right place. In this quick CapCut tutorial, I'll show you how to easily place any text behind your subject using the CapCut editing app. It's a simple process, so let's dive in right away. First, you need to update CapCut to the latest version. This ensures that you have all the latest features and functions before we move on to the next step. Once your app is updated, open CapCut and import the video where you want to place text behind a person. For this example, I have a video of a businessman walking out. Now, let's add the text. Click on the text tool and then tap on the Add Text button. You can write anything you want. I'll simply write "Let Rock." After that, you can choose the font, color, style, and other text options. Once your text is added, make sure to drag the text layer so it covers the entire length of your video. Next, we'll add some animation to the text if you want to. In this case, the text looks good already. Now that we've successfully added and animated our text, it's time to place it behind the person. The principle is to create a new layer over the text layer. Next, we'll import the original video. Do this by tapping on the Overlay button, then selecting Add Overlay. Your photo gallery will open. Select the original video and add it to your project. Make sure the video fits the frame and drag it to the beginning so that both videos start at the same time. Now you tap Text button, then select the previous text layer. After that, you scroll the command bar until seeing the Layers button. Tap on it. Now you can change the order of layers on the project. We'll move the text layer backward, so simply tap on Back button. Next, come back to the main screen. With the second video selected, find the tool called Remove BG Background and click on it. Then, select Auto Removal and wait a few seconds while CapCut removes the background from the second video. What you'll be left with is the person in the frame and the text behind them. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.